With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, our question is match column first with column second and select the correct option from the given codes. Column first, Bulliform cells, guard cells, lenticels, subsidiary cells. Column second, regulate opening and closing of stomata, aerating pores in the bark of plant, rolling in and out of leaves, accessory cells. Options are A fourth, B first, C second, D third, A first, B fourth, C second, D third, A fourth, B second, C third, D first, A third, B first, C second, D fourth. So first is A part, Bulliform cells, and the correct match for Bulliform cells is rolling in and out of leaves, which is the third part, as Bulliform cells are basically transparent bubble shaped cells which are present in single series along the midrib of a monocot leaf on the dorsal surface, and they respond to light and transpiration, and they help in the rolling in and out leaves. So second, guard cells, B guard cells, and the correct match for this is first, regulate opening and closing of stomata, as guard cells are basically pair of kidney shaped or dumbbell shaped cells which are present in the stomatal apparatus, and they enclose the stomatal pore and perform the function of exchange of gases and prevention of water loss. So they regulate the opening and closing of stomata. Now C part, the correct match for C part is aerating pores in the barks of plant lenticels. So lenticels are aerating pores in the bark of plant, as they are permanently open pores present in the bark due to secondary growth or in other organs as an adaptation to certain conditions. So this is the correct match. Now the D part is subsidiary cells. The correct match for subsidiary cells is accessory cells. Subsidiary cells are also known as accessory cells, as subsidiary cells are the epidermal cells, and they are also present in the stomatal apparatus, and they surround the guard cells, and they regulate the osmotic pressure in the guard cells. So that is why subsidiary cells are also known as accessory cells. So the correct option for this question is A third, B first, C second, and D fourth. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.